I'm Dr. Mamta N, working as Associate Professor, Government Frescate College, Vijayanagar, Bangalore. Family Rosaceae. This family includes 100 genera and 3000 species. Among these, 25 genera and 230 species are reported in India. Prominent genera, along with their common names, reported are Rosa, Rubus, Potentilla, Prunus. Classification according to Engler and Prontle. According to Engler and Prontle, Rosaceae belongs to class Dicotyledonnae, subclass Archiclamidae, order Roseolus. Habit. Most of the plants are prostrate herbs or scandent, climbing or erect. Some are trees and stem is capable of vegetative propagation as in case of rose. Root is a taproot system. Stem is erect, prostrate or climber or branched, hard, woody, and sometimes it may be a runner or sucker. Vegetative propagation takes place by means of runner or sucker or cuttings. Shrubby species are with spines and in some prickles are present as in case of rose. Leaves. Leaves are alternate, rarely opposite, simple or compound, sometimes pinnately compound, stipulate. The stipules may be minute and caducous or adnate and persistent as in case of rose. Leaf base is conspicuous. Inflorescence is usually solitary or grouped in racemose, or it may be a terminal corymbose or corymbose sign. Flower. Flowers are actinomorphic, rarely zygomorphic, bisexual, pentamerous or tetramerous, hypogynous, epigynous or perigynous. Stipules may be represented by epicalyx as in case of Fragaria and Potentilla. Calyx. Calyx is made up of 5 sepals, gamosepalous, and sometimes epicalyx may be present. Calyx tube remain free or adnate to the ovary, green, and aestivation is valvate or imbricate. Corolla. Petals 5 or multiples of 5, polypetalous, rosaceous, inserted on the receptacle cup, variously colored, and the number may be indefinite. Sometimes stamens may be transformed into petal-like structures, petaloid staminodes. Aestivation is imbricate in bud. Androecium. Number of stamens may be 2, 3 or 4 times the number of petals. May be indefinite, free, commonly present on the rim of the torus. Anthers or dithecous, splitting longitudinally in rows in bud condition, rarely 1 to 4. Gynoecium. Carpels are 1 or indefinite. Apocarpus, rarely syncarpus, semi-inferior or inferior. Placentation is axile and nectar secreting disc is present between the stamens and carpels. When syncarpus, placentation is axile, and if apocarpus, then basal. Fruit is a drupe, or it can be an area of follicle for achenes, area of berries, or it may be a pome. Seeds are non-endospermic. Economic importance of Rosaceae. Fruits. Some of the edible fruits are Pyrus malis, that is apple, Pyrus communis, Prunus, Prunus domestica, Eriobotus japonica, Fragaria, blackberries and raspberries. Medicinal value. The petals of rose are used in making guican, rose water and rose scent. The fruits of Prunus domestica are given in leucorrhea on irregular menstruation. The roots of rubus are used in dysentery and whooping cough. The fruits of Eriobotus japonica are sedative and used in case of vomiting and thirst. Wood. The wood of Cydonia indica is used in making tool handles. Branches of Cydonia indica are excellent walking sticks. Ornamental. Ornamental plants are rose species. And the diagnostic features or salient features of this family are plants or shrubs with prickles, leaves simple or compound, pinnate, alternate, stipulate, flowers actinomorphic, rarely zygomorphic, hypo or peri or epigynous, calyx gamosepalous, petals 5, polypetalous, stamens indefinite, carpels 1 to 2, 1 to many, apocarpus or syncarpus situated on the solar receptacle, fruit collection of achenes, drupe or pome.